This tutorial is based on a past hackathon project that I made for the Facebook AR hackathon. I felt the need to create this tutorial because I have not come across many Spark AR scripting tutorials that show you how to create 3D AR games. I decided to go for the advanced category because it mainly focuses on scripting. So the sample project used in this tutorial was built some months back, so I had to update the project to work with the latest version of Spark AR. The tutorial starts with an introduction. Here readers will understand the key concepts and what they'll build. In the Getting Started section, the readers will need to download the required software and the sample starter project. Next, the reader will learn how to set up the scene for the game. After the scene is set up, the readers will learn how to add game logic using Spark AR scripting module. The tutorial also helps readers understand the logic behind the game and the game design. Readers will also learn how to add animations using the Spark AR scripting module. At the end of the tutorial, I provide all the learning resources used to create this tutorial and all the game assets used. The total word count is around 4,000 words minus the code.